So I'm at home right now looking for my mirrors, and y'all, they have them at Sam's for $100. But honestly, if I could find them somewhere else cheaper, that'll be right up my alley. So I'm finna price check all of them and see what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna turn the camera around and give y'all ideas of what I want. But this one right here is actually too small. So I'm gonna keep looking and see if they got some bigger ones. So hold on. Okay, so this is the style mirrors that I want with the curve at the top. But they so small in here. Look at me, yeah. I want a tad bit bigger than that. More so like the size of this. Oh, child. Something like that. Big like that, but with the curve. So I'm gonna check the other side. Let me get in there. I'm gonna check the other side of these mirrors. This is cute, but it's too big. And see what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, but if they don't got it, I'm gonna end up with something like this if they don't got the size that I want. Cause I don't wanna pay $400 for 4 mirrors, but we gonna see. So this is the style of the mirrors I'm gonna have to end up going with, because you can't beat $59.99 compared to $100. So yeah, it's not the style that I wanted, but it's gonna give the same look that I'm going for. Just not gonna have the curve at the top. So yeah, buy smart, you know. $59.99 compared to $99.99. A-okay with me. Got my curtains up. I forgot to show y'all that. I got my chair moved in here. Then I got my TV that I'm gonna put right there. So it's gonna be a station right here. A station right there. It's gonna be like a little dresser type thing, like with a coffee station. The TV gonna be right there. And green, then it's gonna be a station right here, and then I'm gonna have my grass wall with my Hey Beautiful sign on there. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm so excited. Pay this no mind. Yeah, my mirrors in here. I look a mess, but you know. Just wait until after I get everything finished. Then I can be cute again. I'm gonna have these body sprays in for my birthday. I'm gonna just style them real cute. So yeah, I can't wait till they get some more towels in so I can finish up the floors. Then I'm gonna paint the trim white. Got a little paint right there. Do the bathroom. It's the mess all the way through there. Look, grass wall, child. Can't wait to clean everything up. Get it how I want it. So yeah.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong.
So my last 2 chairs done came in, and my salon mats. I'm excited, child. It might not sound like it, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna put the chairs together and put the salon mats out. So yeah.
Feel alive. Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive?
post like notes and stuff up there. So I just opened up my boxes for my, well, I just opened one box. Got my salon mats in it. And I'm gonna put it up here for this station. This the chair I just put together in the last clip. And I got 2 more to do. So yeah, let's get that done. So I can get everything in order. I'm tired, but it got to be done.
No, it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long.
So I done made about 4 holes in the wall trying to put these little hooks in to hang my mirror. So I think I done finally got it right. Let's see if it go through. Cause child, okay, hold on now. We got action because the way I wanted it centered, it wasn't gonna work out. So pretty much I'm gonna have to put the mirror right here, chair right here, station right here, and they'll have all this extra room over here because it won't work right there. So yeah, let me hook the mirror up. I'm gonna take that tape out. I'm gonna use that. It got the perfect hole size for the mirror. I'm gonna use it to hang my other 2 mirrors too. So let me pull this out since I got the holes I want. I don't know, Lord, I'm gonna have to patch them up and paint over them. So let's go. Put this through. Okay, 1, 2. So yeah, let's hope this even, child, cause I ain't have no ruler. I'm using a little towel piece that I had left over to measure. Everything seems right, so let's hang the mirror. And I'm gonna hang it on these little tab things right here. It's on both sides. So let's see, can that work? I honestly feel like this mirror is too high. You know? It's together. Let me bring it close. So, yeah. It's real cute. Pay them boxes no mind. I'm gonna put my chairs together as we speak, but yeah, girl. So me and my sister, let me wipe the camera off. There you go. Me and my sister done got the grass wall up, child. We finna get ready to do the floors back here. And then he got the let me show y'all. My room a little junky, so don't pay that no man. I got stuff everywhere. He got my baseballs in. I'm so freaking excited about that. So yeah. I'll probably start decorating next week. And yeah, I'll be filming some more in between. But yeah, I'm tired. So it's 6:17 and I'm headed home from the shop. I've been out all day. I put together 2 chairs and hung up my couple of my mirrors. And y'all, them chairs wore me out, child. When I got my nails done, because you know my birthday is Saturday. And so I'm just waiting on a couple of more things to come in, and then I can start decorating the way I want to. and go from there. So yeah, let me get off this phone because I'm gonna get on the highway, child, and I can't see for real.